Hi guys, welcome to Neutral.x360 again. Like I said, this is where you master the market and this is where you unlock your potential. So guys, today we'll be talking about systematic in trading. Okay, why I call it systematic. Listen, don't bite me yet, Tiger. Don't bite me yet. You need to have a good system. Okay, you need to have a good system. A system is the concept of edge. Some people confuse the word strategy and system. Okay, system is what you do before you get in on the trade, and after you also get in on the trade, what you do when you get out of a trade. So you need to have a good system. Okay, the strategy is what you applied, like this now on the chart. You guys can see this. The strategy is what you applied, okay, to make sure, okay, you are in a trade, okay, to mark out your zone and everything, to look for confluence. But your system matters a lot. All right, let me explain, guys. Let me go with deeper explanation on system. Is that for strategy? For strategy, you say, okay, this is what I want to see, this is what I want to do. Why for your system, you be like, this is the amount I'm willing to risk, this is the percentage I'm taking out, this is what I want to see. If chart presents some certain levels, what you need to do, your routine before you get into a trade, and your routine before you get out of a trade. So all that comes in with a system, and your strategy will be inside your system. Okay, let's say you wake up in the morning, right? You wake up in the morning, you say, okay, I need to do my workout, I need to do my journal, I need to look out for some kind of pairs I'll be looking at for the week. Then you start putting your watch list. Then once you get that done, you get on the chart. Then you look at the chart, you be like, wow, okay, this is what I want to see, this is what I want to see. Once price gets into your zone, then when you want to execute the trade, you know, okay, this is what I want to see, this is what I want to see. You get the point, right? So system, you always need a system to survive in this game, because without a good system you won't be able to get good knowledge on the trade you'll be taking. Okay, a system keep you in check no matter if you are going to a wrong trade or a bad trade. If you are going for a winning streaks or if you are going for a losing streaks, system keeps you in check. Okay, let me give you an example. uh let's say we have a three trade in a row. Okay, example purpose, let's say we have a three trade in a row. All right, this three trade in a row that we have in let's say this is going to initial direction. Then let's say this, we lost this. Okay, I think I need to use good two on that one. Okay, where's that blush? Yeah, so let's say we lost this, right, and we lost this. Okay, and definitely we have been, let's say we have been on a losing streaks for, let's say, a week. All right, let's say we have been in a losing streaks for a week. Okay, all these are example purpose. Okay, let's say we have been in a losing streaks for a week. With your good system you have put in place, all these losses, all these losses won't affect you on your next trade. Okay, it's just like something who keeps you, or like always bring your mind intact. So that's what system does. For strategy, you can apply strategy on the chart every time and then, but if you go fucked up or if you get losing streaks in a row, you see some people want to change their strategy. It's because they don't have a good system. That's why they change strategy from now and then. Once you have a good system, the system keeps you in check. No matter, you might be losing, but your system keeps you in check. When I was starting and trying to find a good system, like, it took me a hell of time. All right, it took me a hell of time. So once I'm able to master it, I stick with it. Then I started using it at all my trades. Okay, guys, it's very easy. Get a good system. Your system is your edge. That's why people keep saying edge, 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 edge. Your system is your edge. So get a good system. No matter you're losing trade, no matter you're losing trade, you're winning trade, take each trade as a learning phase. Okay, we are all here to learn. So take this trade as a learning phase. If you lose, take it as a learning phase. If you win, take it as a learning phase. always journal. I hope you found this video very helpful. Either subscribe button, either like button. I'll see you soon on the next video. Peace.